Hi, my name is Michelle Fernandez. It is January 21st, 2019, and we're doing week 2 video lab, and we're going to be opening up the heart, which is, it's actually, your heart is actually an actual muscle, and there's a lot of fat surrounding it and stuff, and, this is where a bunch of the, non-oxygenated blood comes in, and then it gets through the pulmonary arteries. It goes to the lungs to drop off the carbon dioxide. We pick up oxygenated blood, and it comes back into the heart, which then pumps it back out to all the rest of the body. So this little thing right here does a lot for us, keeps us living and keeps us moving around, and yeah, pretty much gives us our life. So we're gonna start off with, we're gonna look at, this is the left ventricle here, and then this is the right ventricle. Okay, this is the right atrium here on this side, and the left atrium is going to be on this side. I'm going to be opening up the heart so we can look inside a little bit. We have the interventricular sulcus here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to open it up here on this side on the left so you can see the different structures. I'm just going to cut along the line, try to make it smooth. This is the apex of the heart. And we have here the aorta, okay? And then we have here, which is really interesting, this is the superior vena cava right here. And this is the inferior vena cava down here. This comes out through there. Then we have the, I believe this is the brachiocephalic trunk right here. And let me see how that's coming along, me opening this up. It's kind of tough because being that it's a muscle, it's really, really hard to open. But this is very interesting. So we're going to be looking at the left ventricle on both sides, because we're cutting open here on the right, on the left. Let's see if we can see any more structures in here. It's very interesting. Trying to open it here. Okay, so from here, you see we're seeing the aorta up here. We're seeing the, it's really tough. But we're looking here, this is the bicuspid valve. Okay, and then we have right here the left atrium that you can see here. All right, this is really interesting. But we have also the, this is the left ventricular wall. You see that? That's really, and this is the left ventricle right here. Right there. Let me see if you can see it better like this. Right there. That's the left ventricle. Okay, we got the bicuspid valve, which is awesome. So I think I pretty much have covered everything. I'd like to see this open a little bit more so we can see really what's going on in here. But that's really, really interesting, all the little openings. And you see how this is the left atrium right in here. You see that? So that's really interesting. Okay, well, I think we got everything covered. The sulcus, the left and right atrium, ventricles, and then we have the right atrium and the left atrium. So, yeah, I believe we have everything. I showed you the aorta. I showed you the superior and the posterior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and I believe we're done. Thank you so much and have a nice evening.